My name is Lyn Shue. I'm the owner of the Village Galleries in Lahaina. I've had my gallery 51 years. What do I love about Lahaina? I love the people of Lahaina. I love the beauty of Lahaina. I love the artists that love Lahaina. I've had my gallery only representing the artists of Hawaii for the 51 years, and I'm so proud of them because they capture the essence of the island and the beauty of the island, and I think that's what makes Lahaina such a wonderful place. The beauty of the mountains and the water is an attraction to the artists, and they do a wonderful job recreating their love for the island.